BMW B58 engine oil system. This section refers to the modern version of the BMW B58 and B58TU engine family, equipped with a 48-volt system, the electromechanical eVANOS system, and a revised oil pump delivery control strategy. The use of the electromechanical eVANOS system makes it possible to eliminate the oil passages that were previously required for the electrohydraulic VANOS system. Unlike the previous electrohydraulic design, eVANOS does not use engine oil pressure as the main actuating force for camshaft timing adjustment. The new electrically controlled oil shutoff valve makes it possible to interrupt the engine oil supply to the turbocharger. A detailed description of this function is provided in this online training module. Control of the oil pump delivery rate has been simplified through the use of a pilot piston. Oil pressure now acts on the entire working surface of the control spool. One side of the pilot piston is supplied with oil pressure from the oil pump. The other side is supplied with oil pressure from the oil pressure control valve. The pilot piston is also spring-loaded. If the pressure on one side becomes higher, the pilot piston moves and opens or closes the corresponding passage. As a result, the required pressure is directed into the oil chamber used to control the oil pump delivery rate. When the integrated DSCI system is used, a vacuum brake booster is no longer required. Therefore, in the previous combined oil pump and vacuum pump assembly, the vacuum pump can be eliminated. This reduces the required installation space. The new engine oil temperature sensor, installed in the main oil gallery, provides more precise oil pressure control. Previously, the oil temperature was determined by a calculated model based on coolant temperature. When exhaust valve closure is activated, the turbocharger turbine is no longer driven by the flow of exhaust gases. In this operating mode, the pressure in the turbine and compressor sections of the turbocharger corresponds to ambient pressure. If the standard engine oil supply to the turbocharger were maintained in this situation, this could lead to excessive oil transfer from the oil chamber toward the compressor and turbine. For this reason, in this operating mode, the engine oil supply to the turbocharger must be shut off by the oil shutoff valve. In the de-energized state, the valve is open. The valve is closed by the DME control unit. This operation is performed immediately after exhaust valve closure is activated. The DME monitors the valve position and the temperature of the valve assembly using a position sensor and a temperature sensor. All internal combustion engines of this generation are factory-filled with SAE0W12 engine oil. During service, different approved engine oils may still be used. However, the low-temperature viscosity grade must not be changed. In other words, the engine oil viscosity designation must always begin with 0W. This means that the service documentation allows the SAE0WXX format, where the first part of the designation must remain 0W, while the second viscosity index is determined by BMW specifications and the particular approved engine oil. Otherwise, cold start performance may be impaired. In addition, the operation of the 48-volt electric machine and the available drive torque may be negatively affected.